Night Storm Team.
This weekend has been a wash. If you've tried to get outside and have a little fun, you've just found yourself met with a lot of rain showers, and it was really coming down this evening.
Yeah, no, it was definitely coming down. I feel like when I was coming back from my dinner break, I had to have the umbrella on. I was still getting a little soaked from the rain, and we are expecting to see this kind of diminish in the sense we'll actually see lighter rain showers going into the rest of tonight. Now, temperatures are staying on the warmer end. We're actually sitting right now in the low 50s, and typically we're expecting to see overnight lows closer towards the low 30s in early February. But that's not the case for tonight. We're actually waiting for a cold front to swing through. We're sitting at 54 in Knoxville, 53 in Maryville, and 52 in Middlesboro. A look at our radar, still very soggy outside. A lot of rain on this radar. Really, I don't see any dry spots here in East Tennessee. A look at our Market Square camera. I've seen people with umbrellas. I've seen people with their rain jackets on. Very, very rainy outside. So if you're planning on having any outdoor activities, well, I'll tell you when we're actually expecting to see a dry spell. So going on into the rest of the night, we are expecting to see rain continuing to push on through. We actually are watching as a cold front approaches, and that cold front won't be here until about 6:30 tomorrow morning. Now, you definitely can see this line right here on our timeline. That's where that cold front's located. It's shoving all that moisture out east towards North Carolina and gives us a bit of a break during the day on Sunday. So if you need to maybe run to the grocery store before the big game, then you do have the chance. Now, by 8:30, just after kickoff, we actually expect to see more rain moving through. Again, heavier pockets of heavier downpours are expected, so just be aware of that. If you're planning on driving afterwards, take it slow. Hydroplaning can happen no matter where you are on the road. Again, take it safe. We do expect to see rain continuing as we head towards your Monday morning. This is not being driven by a cold front, though. We're actually have been watching this low pressure system, trying to figure out where it's going to actually land, and we have figured out that it's going to push through and stop right over the top of us here in East Tennessee. This is going to bring us a lot of rain early Monday morning, going into Monday afternoon really, and not pushing out until early Tuesday morning. And it does leave us with a chance to see a flake or two of snow, especially in the higher elevations of the Great Smoky Mountains, but that's about it. After that, a lot of cold air funnels in, and we're actually going to see temperatures right on track for the season. We do pose a flooding risk for tomorrow. I want to point that out. We're at a 1 out of 4 on our flooding risk scale. And then we also are watching Monday closely because not only are we expecting more rain, but we do have a slight risk, a 1 out of 5 risk for severe weather for our Southern Valley counties. Again, we will keep a very close eye on it. Make sure to keep that umbrella and rain jacket handy going into the rest of the weekend and the start of next week. Luckily, by Valentine's Day, mostly sunny, temperatures in the mid to upper 50s, looking fabulous. Cheers.